Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the ways to swap Solana on Trust Wallet. In order to swap Solana on Trust Wallet, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go and log in into your Trust Wallet account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, what next you have to do is you need to go ahead and press the search box. Press the icon located in the top right hand side corner. When you do that, here you need to go ahead and look for Solana. And then you need to toggle the button. When you've actually toggled the button, you go ahead and press on the Solana, and then you should be able to see this sort of interface. Here you could go ahead and press on swap. When you swap, so here you need to select whether it's swap or cross chain transfer. So I'm gonna go with the swap. Next, you need to convert Solana to or from what. So you have to go ahead and select the asset type, then enter the exact amount, all of that, and click on the continue button, and with that you'll have successfully swapped Solana on Trust Wallet. So in that way you can swap Solana on Trust Wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.